In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare PDF files in Adobe Acrobat. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro installed, as this feature is not available in the free reader version. Once you have Acrobat Pro open, let's dive into the process of comparing your PDF files. To begin, navigate to the Tools menu found in the upper left corner of your screen. From here, scroll down and look for the Compare Files option, then select it. This action will take you to a new window specifically designed for document comparisons. Now, it's time to select the two PDF files you are interested in comparing. In the comparison window, you'll notice two fields, one for the old file, before, and another for the new file, after. The old file should be the original version of the PDF, while the new file will be the one you want to compare against, which typically includes any updates or changes. Click on Select File for each field and choose the appropriate PDF files from your computer. After selecting the files, there's an option to adjust the comparison settings to better fit your needs, though this step is optional. Adobe Acrobat Pro provides a few different ways to compare your documents. You can choose text only if you're just interested in the textual changes, text plus formatting if you want to see changes to both the text and its styling, or images and elements if your focus is more on visual differences. There's also an option to refine the comparison even further by selecting specific pages you want to analyze instead of going through the entire document. Once you've set your comparison preferences, it's time to initiate the comparison by clicking on the Compare button. Adobe Acrobat will take a moment to analyze the differences between the two files. When the analysis is complete, you will be presented with a detailed side-by-side report. This report is particularly useful as it highlights several key elements, such as added or removed text, and any moved objects or changes in formatting. The visual layout of this report makes it easy to pinpoint exactly where changes have occurred, providing you with a comprehensive overview of how the two PDF documents differ. By using these steps in Adobe Acrobat Pro, you can efficiently and effectively compare PDF files, making it a powerful tool for document review and quality assurance. And there you have it, a straightforward method for comparing PDF files in Adobe Acrobat Pro. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in wielding this useful feature. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.